So let's stay in the city for a little bit. And the indictment of Governor Sonko has thrown the county government of Nairobi into confusion and uncertainty. Sonko has had no deputy for the last 2 years, and the law is unclear on who should run the city as he battles his court case. Enoch Sikolia now takes a closer look at the options ahead and why City Hall could be in turmoil for some time to come.
The arraignment of Governor Mike Sonko on Monday has raised several constitutional questions. With no deputy governor to step in, and in following the High Court Judge Mumbi Ngugi's ruling on July 24th that governors charged with economic crimes vacate office for the duration of their trial, Sonko's case has thrown Nairobi City into a unique situation. As per the Constitution, County Assembly Speaker Beatrice Elachi is supposed to temporarily take over the office of the governor when a vacancy rises. But the Sonko situation does not create a vacancy as envisaged by the supreme law of the land.
When you look at what vacancy is, the Constitution also terms when a governor can vacate office. And this unique situation where a governor, an elected official, is suspended from office, to me does not amount to a vacancy. Categorically.
But this leaves Nairobi in an unprecedented situation. And even if the Speaker of the Assembly acts as the governor, that can only happen for 60 days, after which elections must be called for. But legal experts argue that a governor cannot lose his office by simply being barred from accessing it.
Perhaps those aspects of running the county, which are supposed to be under the charge, direct charge of the county executive, and especially the politically elected officials, the governor and the deputy governor, those may suffer suspension also, but perhaps the other activities of the county run by the county executive committee and other institutions within the executive authority may continue running.
With Governor Sonko expected to stay away from his office and official functions for the duration of his trial, there will be no one to assent to bills, including the finance bill, something that poses the risk of crippling operations within the county. Mukangi says if the situation becomes too chaotic, the county of Nairobi could seek an advisory of the Supreme Court and see whether, out of the doctrine of necessity, the Supreme Court can allow the Speaker to act indefinitely to ensure continuity. But then there is another possibility.
There is also that facility of suspending the government and then the processes that attach to that, where Senate is involved, where a commission is involved, and they report to the president, and then perhaps at the end of it all, new elections are held. Maybe it might lead to that route also.
Enoch Sikolia, Citizen TV, Nairobi.